We've had a great day down here at Torque Toyota Albion for our Gazoo Racing car show. I've had the Super Club here showcasing everything from the old to the new, and the first opportunity for people to get up close and personal with the all-new GR YARIS Rallyye Edition.
Been a while since Toyota made their own sports cars, so it's going to be a good opportunity to reignite the old school, like the 86, the Super, Celicas, and now the GR Yaris. I like my GR Yaris because it's a fun car to drive.
So we've got the Queensland Supra Club here on display today. I mean, all the Supras are a really special car. Like the Toyota Supra has a massive cult following, which is really cool. We've got around about a dozen Supras here today and some quite rare ones as well. This is one of our club members. He's a young guy as well, and you can see his lovely plates, Tough 2J. He thinks it's a real tough car, but like a super clean example. He takes so much pride in this car.